That's awesome. That's amazing.
Being part of Kerri's Facilitators Network has just accelerated my growth. I've got the tools and the wisdom to be able to flex and move where I need to.
It is such a great place to be. Being part of a network actually allows you to have different connections with different people. You don't feel like you're so alone. You can bounce ideas. There's forums and ways to be able to connect with others. But then on top of that, you've got people who are tangibly sharing their knowledge.
Any question I have around who does what, where can I learn this, where are the best resources, it's all there. People share work, people share opportunities, and I can ask any question on my heart, my mind.
I've found my tribe. There's so many people that I have so many connections with. I like how we trust each other and we're willing to share.
I've learned and picked up a lot of business skills. This has all really helped to cement my business and taken that forward.
If you are a facilitator or a coach or a mentor, if you're working with people and helping them learn, helping them grow, you need to be here.
Kerri has created a space that we can connect and be authentic with each other and learn and grow and have those safe spaces. It is invaluable.
Kerri's awesome. She's so full of energy, and her heart is really for those of us that work in facilitation.